What is up, everybody? It's your boy Molson back once again with another video. Happy New Year to all, and I hope you're having a great start to your 2019. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, leaving likes and comments. And if this video helps you out, be sure to share, like, comment, and definitely hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to separate the yolk from the egg white in 2 easy steps, or in 2 easy ways. One, everyone can do with a water bottle. And the second one, I have this product, it's called the New Yolker. It's an as seen on TV product, and you can buy it from the Dollar Tree for $1, so little goes a long way. Alright folks, let's get right to it. Alright folks, so here's how this trick works with a water bottle. It's very simple. It's squeeze and then release. So the water bottle will work as a suction. So here it goes. There you have it. The yolk doesn't break, it's very clean, and you can pretty much do this with a water bottle. And here, how it works with a New Yolker. Once again, I purchased this from the Dollar Tree. It's an as seen on TV product, and it's $1. And there you have it. There's 2 easy ways of removing the yolk from the egg whites. You can do it with a water bottle, or you can do it with the New Yolker. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, and if you think this video has helped you out, be sure to share it, like and comment, and definitely hit that subscribe button. Ciao.